AI is the biggest buzzword in tech right now, and the crypto market has noticed. We've seen tokens like Fetch.ai, SingularityNet, and Bitcoin skyrocket in value, creating millionaires overnight. But as the charts go vertical, a critical question arises: behind these massive rallies, is there a real technological revolution happening, or are we just watching another speculative bubble inflate, similar to the ICO craze of 2017? Today, we're cutting through the marketing noise, looking under the hood of these protocols, and finding out what's actually being built. To understand this market, you have to realize that not all AI tokens are the same. They generally fall into three main pillars. First, decentralized computing. Projects like Render and Akash are building a global supercomputer. They allow anyone to rent out their idle GPU power for AI training, directly challenging the dominance of cloud giants like AWS and Google. Second, AI marketplaces. Imagine an app store where developers can share, lease, and monetize their AI models without a middleman. And third, data infrastructure. AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. Blockchain ensures that this data is transparent, verifiable, and free from corporate bias. But here is where we need to be careful. In the industry, we call it AI washing. A large portion of so-called AI projects in crypto are just empty shells. They add AI to their pitch decks and websites to attract naive capital, while their actual technology is non-existent or just a simple API call to ChatGPT. Furthermore, these tokens are currently hyper-correlated with Nvidia's stock performance. This is a red flag. It suggests that many investors aren't buying the actual utility of the blockchain, they are simply gambling on a global narrative. If the AI hype in the traditional stock market cools down even slightly, the weakest crypto tokens will be the first to vanish. Despite the fluff, the core thesis is incredibly strong. Why do we need crypto in AI? Because right now, the world's most powerful intelligence is being centralized in the hands of 3 or 4 companies. This creates a massive single point of failure and censorship. Decentralized AI is the only way to ensure that the future of intelligence is open source and permissionless. In the long run, 90% of current AI tokens will likely fail as the bubble pops. However, the winners, the ones providing tangible computing power and verifiable data, could become the infrastructure for the next century. So, is it a bubble? Yes, parts of it absolutely are. But within that bubble, the most important technology of our time is being decentralized. The lesson here is simple: don't buy the hype, study the infrastructure. Look for projects that have working products, not just flashy websites. If you want to stay ahead in this fast-moving space and separate the signals from the noise, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. The future of AI is being written now, let's make sure it's decentralized.